My video tutorial is about getting rid of the ransomware called Waqq. Waqq is the ransomware that actually belongs to the DJVU ransomware family. My video is only for the educational purposes. I'm not related to this ransomware and I'm not promoting this ransomware. In this video, I will just show you the negative impact of this ransomware on the files. So before the ransomware attack, you are definitely able to open your files without any troubles. But sadly, because of certain leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this DJVU type ransomware may be pretty easily injected into the computer. So very soon users realize that they can no longer access their data because of this Waqq ransomware. So this ransomware encrypts files and damages them considerably. By the way, it is called Waqq because it encrypts files and appends this Waqq extension additionally to the file names, so it's not possible to use the files anymore. Whenever you try to open this specific file, you get this message saying that Windows can't open this type of file with this Waqq additionally appended extension. So the same applies to all other files. It's not possible to use them. I recommend you not to pay the ransom. In fact, I strongly urge you not to pay the ransom because the ransomware tells you to do that. Instead, my suggestion is that you scan your computer with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. It will help you to effectively detect and eliminate this type of ransomware. You may get it on the page combocleaner.com. Download the software, install the program, and once it gets successfully installed, the program will be initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The software will first of all update its anti-malware database, and truly this is essential for proper detection and removal of any malware or ransomware. I want to emphasize your attention on the fact that Combo Cleaner doesn't decrypt files. Its anti-ransomware feature helps to protect the files. In the future, it helps to remove this ransomware, but it does not decrypt files though. At the end of the scanning, you will see the summary of all the threads which were revealed on the computer. Certain threads can be removed manually, but of course, premium license is a much better solution for protecting your data. Also, please find a special link in the description to this video which will give you more information on how to recover your data.